Tokyo 2020 is finally kicking off, and usually alongside the competition is a thriving collectible pin culture. Whoa, Olympic pin trading dates all the way back to 122 years ago.
Oh wow, to the first Summer Games in Athens.
These commemorative pins are actually a huge part of the games, and every Olympic Games has their own unique set. They represent the different sports and are adorned by everyone from athletes, judges, to the media. But outside of the Olympic Village, pin traders are always seeking the most coveted and limited edition pins to add to their collection. But the recent ban on spectators left many in the dark about getting access to this year's pins.
Hey everyone, I'm Victoria.
I'm Tiff.
And today we are here because we have this brand new digital cloud pin that's being given out at the Olympics.
Yeah, and they're actually only given out to media professionals because, well, there are no spectators this year.
So it's a very different Olympics, and we have a piece of it, and we'd love to unbox it to show you what's inside.
Let's do it.
Okay.
So sleek. Damn.
Very nice. Quick start guide and lots of instructions on how to get the app and pair it. So we'll do that after this.
Yeah. Okay, so we have got 4 things in here. This is the pin, and there are 2 ways to wear it, either by the magnetic or by the clip.
The 4th thing is a charging dock. So obviously magnetic, the pin just sort of snaps into it. So the first thing we have to do is get the app for our phones so that we can customize the pins, and you'll see, there's a couple of cool functions in there.
All right. So to pair the device to your phone, you need to turn on Bluetooth, then press the button on the pin twice, and wait for the QR code to appear. Scan it with your phone, and ta-da, now we're all set.
So now that you've got your pin paired, the next step is to customize your artwork.
Yeah.
So that it shows all the time. But you only have 5.
Damn.
Because you're a rookie.
Damn, okay. See, we've got aquatics, rugby, boxing. Yeah.
Okay, how about boxing?
All right, let's go with that. Cool, there's some fun facts about boxing. Let's do it. Use this artwork. Now we're ready to rock these pins.
So the whole point of this thing is to, get out there and be social and make friends.
Uh-huh. And actually, yeah, historically, like, people go to the Olympics to, trade pins, like, make friends, and it's cool that this pin has that aspect to it.
Mm-hmm. So I thought you might like to make your first friend right now.
Do it.
You just have to touch the back.
Okay.
Yeah. Boop. Oh, it's vibrating.
It vibrates.
New
Whoa.
friend added. +1. Keep it up.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, I like that.
That was quick. So easy to share information that way, especially during COVID.
Actually, that's the other thing, right? Because one of the things about going to media events is you always have to exchange business cards or and you can do this without shaking hands.
Yeah.
Plus, I really like that your information was with me within a second and it's already in my app.
Yeah, way more efficient. So I noticed in the app there's another feature which counts your steps.
Yeah.
You thinking what I'm thinking?
You know I'm gonna win, right?
All right, let's test this out. Let's go.
Whatever. She won. I don't care.
Yeah.
I do. Anyway, thank you guys so much for being with us today. Hope this gave you a bit of a taste of the Olympics. Certainly did for us.
If you enjoyed this video, we've got more unboxing videos at Golf Bear 2.
And our secret channel, Gold Friends.
Subscribe!